So you might be in a situation where you keep opening up Android applications, and for some reason, they just keep showing a black screen. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, you're trying to open up certain apps. So maybe you're opening up like Genshin Impact, for example, and there's just a continuous black screen that just keeps, coming up, something like this. Or for some reason, none of the other applications are loading, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. Now, the reason why this happens for the most part is because those applications are just frozen or they're stuck and they're just not loading past their specific panels. So what I'd recommend doing is going inside of your settings application. So go inside of settings, you want to go and click on your apps panel, and you want to go and find that application that's kind of messing up. So let's say, for example, it's Genshin Impact that we just opened up. You want to go and open up Genshin Impact, and you want to go and click force stop. So you want to force stop that specific application. Then what you can do is you can go back into that app, and you want to see if that ends up working. For some people, actually for most people, that's probably all you're going to have to do. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this specific situation. Now, if that still doesn't work, you may also just want to make sure you have enough storage saved onto your device. So click back into your settings here. You'll click on storage, and all you're going to want to do is make sure you have enough storage saved on your device, because chances are if you don't have enough storage saved on your device, that might end up being a problem too. Now, if that still doesn't work, another thing you may want to try doing is going through and seeing if you can restart your device. So go through, restart your phone. If that still doesn't work, go ahead and make your way back into your Google Play Store and try seeing if there's an update available for that application. So go back into your Google Play Store. You want to type in whatever application is messing up. So if it's whatever file unzip or whatever it is, Snapchat, go ahead and open up that app, see if there's an update available. And that might end up fixing it too. If that still doesn't work, you may actually just want to try seeing if there's an update available for your phone, and that might end up fixing it for your device as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.